If you found this video today, know that your guardian angels have a special message that could change the course of your life. They are attentive to your steps and watching every decision you make with care and attention. Recently, you made a decision that deeply impacted someone very close to you, a person in your inner circle who was completely surprised by this unexpected choice. The big question that lingers in the air is, what exactly did you mean by this decision? The angels are whispering to you, saying that this decision took everyone by surprise, including them. They are curious, eager to understand the reasons that led you to act this way. Their minds are filled with suppositions, and their hopes are high. However, what they desire most, above all, is to know the truth behind your thoughts and intentions. They want to understand what was in your heart and mind when you made this decision. This decision you made not only surprised everyone, but also deeply affected the structures of your closest relationships. Suddenly, everything changed between you and this special person, as if a new phase of life had begun. Now the connection you share is following a completely new path, a direction that is leaving everyone around you curious and a bit apprehensive. People want to know if this choice was the result of careful planning, or if it was something more spontaneous. They want to understand what this change means for the future of everyone involved. The impact of this choice is not small. Friendships and family relationships are now in uncharted territory, full of uncertainties and questions. Was it intentional? Was there a clear goal? What to expect from now on? It are questions that keep running through the minds of those around you. And it's no wonder, because significant changes in our lives always bring a dose of discomfort and insecurity, making us question the stability and future of our relationships. Your decision caught everyone by surprise. This surprise, however, is not a sign of disapproval, but rather an indication that something important is happening. The people around you were used to your attitudes and positions, and your choice, being so unexpected, provoked a wave of reflection. Everyone wants to understand the reasons and the impact of this decision, showing a genuine interest in what it represents for the future. This moment of change can be unsettling both for you and for others. Sudden changes are usually accompanied by uncertainty and insecurity. However, they also open up space for personal growth and development. It is crucial to recognize that, despite the initial surprise, this special person who is taken aback by your choice cares deeply about you and wants to see you live a full and happy life. This is a time for open and honest dialogue. Communicating your reasons and feelings can help dispel any misunderstandings and strengthen relationships. It is an opportunity to explain your point of view, your hopes, and your plans for the future. Clear communication is key for everyone to adapt to the new situation, keeping emotional bonds strong and healthy. From the beginning, your presence became essential to this person, creating a bond that both of you value and place above many things. This special connection was built with care and affection, becoming a vital part of both of your lives. Therefore, when you make decisions that affect this relationship, it is natural to cause a significant impact. He is trying to understand what your decisions mean, especially if they indicate your desire to deepen this bond. The possibility of a deeper and more romantic relationship fills him with hope, nurturing a silent dream that perhaps the bond between you could transform into something even more meaningful. On the other hand, there is a calm acceptance that even if this evolution does not happen, having you around is already a great gain. The presence and affection you share are extremely valuable to him. The idea of losing this special connection by misinterpreting your actions worries him greatly. He values the relationship you have too much to risk everything with hasty assumptions about your motives. That's why he may seem a bit different now, while he processes this new stage. This reaction is natural, as he does not want to risk what you already have due to misunderstandings. Therefore, it is crucial that you stand firm in your decisions, not only those affecting this relationship, but in all aspects of your life. Firmness in your choices conveys security, allowing him to adjust to the new reality without fearing misunderstandings. Communicating clearly and openly can help clarify your intentions and alleviate any anxiety he may be feeling. This clarity is vital for both of you to explore the meaning of this change, without haste or pressure, respecting each other's time and feelings. Furthermore, this phase represents an opportunity for both of you to get to know each other better and strengthen your relationship even more. Discussing the feelings involved, expectations for the future, and shared dreams can create a deeper understanding between you. This moment of honesty and openness is a chance to build an even more solid foundation for the relationship, where both feel secure and understood. It is important to remember that changes, as challenging as they may seem at first, often bring opportunities for growth and strengthening of bonds. Therefore, embrace this phase with confidence and positivity. This is a time to strengthen communication, mutual trust, and the love you share. Have faith that, with patience and understanding, you'll be able to navigate this new stage, emerging even more connected and strengthened. This period of adaptation is proof that your relationship is strong and flexible enough to withstand changes. It highlights the resilience and depth of the bond you share, showing that despite uncertainties and challenges, love and mutual understanding can overcome any obstacle. This is a crucial moment for both of you, where open and honest dialogue becomes even more important. By sharing your thoughts and listening carefully to his, you can further strengthen the connection you have, regardless of how it evolves. The attitude of sharing your motivations with those who care is vital. It is a gesture of transparency and respect, showing how much you value the relationship and the opinion of those you love. However, it is equally essential to shield yourself from external influences that may try to shake your confidence. Not everyone will understand your choices and intentions, and that's okay. The key to a successful life is believing in your intuition, that inner compass that guides your decisions toward the future. Trust yourself and the wisdom of your heart, for it knows what is best for you. In moments of doubt and hesitation, when we choose to follow an unconventional path, it is trust in our intuition that guides us forward. Although the fear of the unknown is understandable, it should not hold us back. Facing new challenges and exploring uncharted horizons may be exactly what we need to achieve significant personal growth and discover important aspects about ourselves. Often, it is the unexpected paths that lead us to enriching and transformative experiences that we would never have encountered if we had settled for the safety of the comfort zone. If you feel like you are at a crossroads or facing an unknown opportunity, trust your intuition and take a step forward. Even if the path is uncertain and challenging, it is through the courage to explore the unknown that we find new perspectives and possibilities. Remember that it is normal to feel apprehensive about the unknown, but it is precisely in these moments that we have the chance to surpass ourselves and grow. By embracing the challenges that arise in our path, we open doors to a future full of discoveries and personal achievements. It is crucial to understand that your journey is unique and that the choices you make should align with your own desires and aspirations, not with the expectations imposed by others. By moving forward, even in the face of differing opinions, you strengthen your integrity and reaffirm your independence. Each step taken represents a statement of your identity and your right to determine your own destiny. Understanding that your journey is unique and that the decisions made should reflect your desires and aspirations, not the expectations of others, is paramount. This process of moving forward, despite divergent opinions, strengthens your character and reaffirms your autonomy. Each step taken is an affirmation of your identity and your right to choose your own path in life. In this process, open and honest communication with those by your side, especially with this special person, is essential. By explaining your reasons and sharing your aspirations, you not only strengthen your relationships but also build a solid support circle. This circle will be your safety net, offering encouragement and constructive feedback when needed. Therefore, remember that it is your vision, courage, and confidence that guide your journey. Challenges and uncertainties are part of the journey, but it is your determination to pursue your dreams that determines how far you will go. There is nothing more rewarding than looking back and seeing that by following your heart and intuition, you have reached places that once seemed unattainable. Stay true to yourself, embracing the opportunities that life offers with optimism and openness to the new. This is the essence of a life lived fully, marked by constant learning and personal growth. Additionally, it is important to emphasize that each decision made, each obstacle overcome, contributes to your growth as an individual. Each experience, whether positive or negative, carries valuable lessons that shape who you are. Embracing and learning from these experiences is what makes the journey even richer and more meaningful. Do not let yourself be shaken by difficulties or moments of uncertainty. See them as opportunities for strengthening and development. Believe in your potential and in your ability to turn challenges into achievements. Remember that humanity's greatest feats were accomplished by those who dared to step out of their comfort zones and moved forward even when the path was uncertain. Your courage and determination do not go unnoticed. Those who truly care about you will recognize and value your effort and dedication. They will be by your side, offering support and encouragement, celebrating each victory and providing comfort in difficult times. Finally, remember that life is a continuous journey of discovery and growth. Each day is a new opportunity to learn something new, to get closer to your dreams, and to become the best version of yourself. Face each challenge with an open heart and a curious mind, and allow yourself to be surprised by the wonders the journey can bring. With faith, confidence, and determination, you can achieve anything you desire. Trust your intuition, follow your heart, and never stop dreaming. After all, it is the sum of each small step that builds the great achievements of life. Stay firm on your path and allow yourself to shine. To conclude, I offer a special prayer dedicated to you. Lord, in this sacred moment of reflection, I lift my prayers to you, seeking support for this person who finds herself before the unexpected and surprising decision taken, a path that has left hearts full of love in a state of deep reflection. I humbly implore for light and discernment amid the whirlwind of emotions and uncertainties she now faces. May clarity illuminate the veil of confusion, allowing her to see beyond appearances, and may honesty and openness pave the way for genuine communication. I ask for courage so she can express her true feelings and bravely seek the essence and reasons behind these decisions, distancing herself from the shadows of fear and misinterpretations. I pray that this journey of discovery be a source of strengthening for the bonds that unite them, be it in deep friendship or a love that blooms over time. Guide them, O Lord, to trust in their instincts, those inner whispers that guide their steps on the path of good and truth. May they embrace, with open hearts and resilient souls, the infinite possibilities that life holds, knowing that in every moment of doubt or decision, your divine presence surrounds them with love and protection. May this experience, filled with learning and growth, lead them to a deeper understanding of themselves and each other. May they find, in the support of your grace, the happiness they seek, recognizing that in every challenge, there is an opportunity to further strengthen the precious bonds they share. Grant them the serenity to accept the changes they cannot control and the wisdom to cultivate love and friendship in all its forms. Under your sacred guidance, may they walk together, confident of your constant vigilance and your infinite love that surrounds them. May this shared path be illuminated by the light of faith, hope, and unconditional love. Amen. To claim the blessings contained in this message, type E1111. Don't forget to leave a positive comment, as this not only lifts your own spirit but also spreads kindness among other viewers who may be seeking a boost of positivity in their day. Remember that each act of kindness contributes to the cycle of good karma, attracting positive energies. Let's join forces to create a wave of positivity. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.